Welcome to my pretty world. In this video, I am going to show the preparation for Prince Charming costume. This was my first participation in fancy dress competition as Prince Charming in 2017. Now, I will show you the preparation of this costume. We have selected white shirt, black pant and red satin cloth for this costume. Covered the shirt, collar and handcuffs with red satin cloth. Then we have prepared cape, shoulder badge and belt. Cut the white chart for belt, cover it with red cloth, then decorate it with lace and stones. Stitch Velcro to adjust the size. We cut the gold ball chain into pieces and stitch them in the chart paper. And then cover the chart paper with red cloth. Now the shoulder badge is ready. Took the rectangular red cloth and stitched the gold laces in all corners. Cut the cloth with scissors with equal spaces between them. Inserted the gold lace up and down alternatively in that slit. Now the cape is ready. Stitch the corners of the lace on the shoulders of the shirt. Decorate the shirt with lace and stone stickers. Now we will get a beautiful prince costume. Hope you all like this Prince Charming video. If yes, then press like button and share it with your friends. If you want another interesting video, then smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Chapter